Dumelang you guys and welcome back to my channel. Please let's like or subscribe or comment so that let's miss out whenever I try to upload a new video, guys. Definitely genre Lekompo is definitely taking over the world, from Limpopo to the rest of South Africa, you guys. And Somizi, he has revealed that he is actually a very huge fan of the genre of Lekompo, you guys. And we see Rabana the videos on TikTok where he is seen dancing to the Gosha Jabo Shandesh, Kharishma, Shandesh, and Makhadzi. So Ufile his own opinions of what he thinks regarding the genre. And Oriana, he is actually a fan of the three leading ladies from Limpopo, namely Makhadzi, Shandesh, and of course Kharishma. Or he's gotten a chance to see them perform live, and he gave his own opinions as to what he thinks regarding this whole performance thing. And Oriana, once again, these girls but and everything, they can sing, they can dance, but or after seeing them live, or if you look at this an area which they need to improve, or an area of live performance, or a live performance yabona is a bit disappointing. They need to balance at least the two, singing and dancing, and of course or this big stage presence. But I feel like they need to be able to balance the singing and performing. But quickly insert this video. Before I do that, do make sure that you do share your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.
Dumelang ralocha lo bathong coaching speed babulisa kanjani kusem thobela. Yes. So I think by now you know that I am the newest member or newest fan ya Lekompo, right? And for me, I'm a huge fan of these three female Lekompo singers, right? Performers, right? First one is Makhadzi, second one, and I'm not saying in that order, but I'm just saying Makhadzi, Kharishma, and Shandesh. Now, and this is just a constructive observation, criticism, if you may call it. I was fortunate enough now to have watched all three of them. I've been watching Makhadzi and sharing the stage with Makhadzi for the longest time. And I've always been a fan, and I'm still a fan. And for the first time, I watched Kharishma last week in Giyani. I was emceeing there. I've never seen Shandesh live. I've never met her, but I am obsessed with her. I think she's got an amazing stage presence, and her album is just hits after hits after hits, right? Now, here's my observation. After watching Kharishma live, and I've seen Makhadzi live, and have seen the videos Shandesh performing live, I have a bit of advice to all of them, right, as performers. If they would focus more on singing live, because I think they struggle with multitasking, choreography, and singing live. Because what tends to happen is that they would be dancing and you hear the voice, and then the mic is on the mouth and the mic is off the mouth, but the vocals are still carrying on. The lead vocals are still carrying on. So that for me says they are using backtrack and even having their vocals on the backtrack. And that for me takes away the experience of the audience experiencing them live, singing live. Shandesh, I just saw a video of Shandesh performing live. There was no mic at all. She was just dancing and her voice was going on. I'm like, girl, no. No, you've got beautiful songs. Sing. Have the confidence that you have in the studio. Sing, baby girl. Take out your vocals on the back track and have the backing vocals only and just sing. Kharishma, on the other hand, the entire performance, all I heard was her voice live. And it was the first time I saw her. I was like, this girl, there's something about this girl. She's a performer. Makhadzi, we know, untouchable when it comes to choreography and energy. But she also has that habit of having her vocals on the track and not singing fully live. That's my observation, and I believe it's a constructive because I want them to grow. Shandesh, you've got an opportunity to be the next biggest star in South Africa. Please, my love, please, please, ask your people to take out your lead vocals on the backing track and also rehearse and practice how you're going to sing. I know it's a confidence thing and an experience thing, how you're going to sing your songs live. Your audience deserves that. Kharishma, you're on the right track, my baby. Keep nurturing your talent, and I just think you just need to rehearse your act more and have more choreography. But your vocals, I think, are on point in my view. Makhadzi, you are experienced now. You just need to put more efforts on the live vocals. I love you, girls. You're all amazing. Lekompo to the world.